In this video, we'll see how to connect a catalog to a project. In this project, we can indeed see there is nothing referenced. Let's see what happens when nothing is referenced. We'll start up a new job. When pressing the Create Member button, we'll get an error message. We can also not select any standard, profile type or profile size. So let's get out of this project and have a look in the project administration. Let's start up AVEVA Administration. We have to log in as System Administrator. Let's first of all have a look at the project databases. There are several databases but all local. We need to include the catalog databases from the AVEVA Catalog Project, ACP. This ACP project is where all the default catalogs are stored. We'll simply select all databases and confirm with Apply. All databases are there now. We just have to make sure they're all visible to the end user. To make all the newly added databases visible, we have to add them into an MDB. We will again select all ACP databases and press the down arrow to add them into the MDB. We can now save the project and check the result. We'll just open up the previous project. But this time, we can select a standard, profile type and profile size. Everything seems to be working just fine now.